Ennforcement Warning. This message is being transmitted at the request of the Massachusetts State Police Department. A man has been spotted running around the streets. The man has been identified as 32-year-old Baldi Baltimore. He is a white male, 8 feet tall and weighs 120 pounds, bald, black eyes, and was last seen wearing red lipstick, green sweater, blue sweatpants, brown shoes, and holding a ruler made out of petrified wood. His job is a teacher. He killed everybody at a school. The school is identified as your school. There were 6 people at the school, and half of them were children. Stay in your homes. Do not go outside. Baldi is very easy to find. Stay tuned for more updates as the situation develops. Civil danger warning. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Massachusetts State Police Department. Baldi has ran into a school bus and stabbed almost everybody to their deaths with a knife, before tripping over a shoe and falling off of the bus. The only survivor has been identified as 10-year-old Amy Long. She is a white female, 3 feet tall with long brown hair, blue eyes, and was last seen wearing blue jeans and a red sweater. Amy is known to be one of the most popular girls in the 5th grade, and has minor autism. All of the dead people are from the 5th, 2nd, and 6th grade, meaning that none of her classmates died from that. If you see Baldi, the survivor, or any dead bodies, call 911 now. If it is Baldi you see, run away from him. If it is the survivor or the dead bodies, leave them alone. Stay tuned for more updates regarding the developing situation. Civil danger warning. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Massachusetts State Police Department. Baldi has a nuke that can wipe out southwest Massachusetts in less than 1 minute. Baldi is holding a fuse and it will take 5 minutes for the nuke to blow up. In addition, Baldi is confirmed to be mentally ill. I repeat, Baldi is confirmed to be mentally ill. Stay tuned for more updates as the situation develops. Contagous disease warning. This message is being transmitted at the request of the Massachusetts, California, Pennsylvania, and Virginia State Police Departments. Baldi has released an infectious gas. The symptoms include, but are not limited to, loss of muscle control, fear of water, blurred vision, confusion, depression, seizures, loss of the ability to speak, bleeding from the eyes and nose, unconsciousness, fear of food, headaches, migraine, vomiting, blindness, slowness, loss of the ability to stand, mind control, lose eyes, blocked ears and nose, and death. In addition, Baldi has also grew half the size of Mount Everest, and stepped on some people to their death with his now human-sized shoe. Stay tuned for more updates as the situation develops. Civil danger warning. message is being transmitted at the request of the Virginia State Police Department. Baldi has spawned some very strange humanoid creatures and they will kill anyone inside. They are going to duplicate themselves until there is enough of them to fill the entire world up. If you see any of these creatures, run away from them as fast as you possibly can. It is also raining nukes and hydrogen bombs. The bombs and nukes blow up as soon as they touch the ground. Baldi is also detonating missiles and an infinite amount will rain and blow up when they touch the ground, as well as duplicate like the strange unidentified creatures. Stay tuned for more updates as the situation develops. National alert. This message is being transmitted at the request of the American government. Baldi's missiles, nukes, hydrogen bombs, and strange creatures have doomed the United States. Everybody in the United States must seek underground shelter. In addition, Amy Long, the only survivor from the bus incident, has been killed by 42 missiles, and millions of Americans, including Baldi, were killed because of the missiles as well. Every homeless person in America has died. The missiles have already wiped out Massachusetts, Louisiana, Southern California, and Virginia. Stay tuned for more updates as the situation develops. This message is being transmitted at the request of the American government. Baldi's missiles, nukes, hydrogen bombs,